Now let us come to the next topic of the set, that is representation of a set. Children, a set can be represented in two forms. Number one is roster or tabular form, and the next is second is set builder form. In roster or the tabular form, we list the members of the set within braces or curly brackets. We list the numbers, we write the numerals or we write the letters. For example, the set capital A of all even numbers less than 13 can be written as A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I think you understand. Again, second example, the set B of the letters of the word Jodhpur can be written in tabular form as capital B is equals to JODHPUR. So in roster or the tabular form, we write the members of that set. Now number 2 is set builder form. So children, the second form of the representation of a set is called the set builder form. Set builder form, as the word suggests, building, builder. So we will build the nature of the set. In this form, we write a variable, say x, representing any member of the set. Means whatever is the set, whatever is the nature, whatever is the property of that set, we write that and say x as representing any member of the set. Which is followed by a colon or slash, and we read this colon or slash as such that, and thereafter we write the property satisfied by each member of the set and then enclose the description within the braces. This will be more clear with the help of an example. Suppose the example which we took in the last first representation of a set, that is roster form. The same example I have taken here. The set A of all even numbers less than 13 can be written in the set builder form as x such that, this colon is read as such that, x such that x is an even number less than 13. And this in the rostered form we will write A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 as we did in the last example. So we are now knowing how to represent a set in two forms, in rostered form or in set builder form. Now let us take an example which we will be representing in both the forms. The example, let us take one example that I have taken as the set capital A of squares of natural numbers. Now in roster form or the tabular form, this can be written as A equals to squares of natural numbers. Natural numbers, the numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and go till infinity. So squares of the natural numbers will be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. This is in the roster or the tabular form. Now in the set builder form, we can write this as A equals to x such that x is the square of natural number. So children, I think you understand now how to represent the sets, first in the roster form and second in the set builder form. Now children, whatever I have taught or the basic concept of set, what is a set, definition of a set, how to represent a set, and few notations like belongs to, epsilon, does not belongs to and all. Based on that, exercise 1.1 NCERT is based. So let us first complete 1.1 NCERT and then we will be doing the definitions based on sets and some other applications of set. So let us do first exercise 1.1. So take out NCERT book, exercise 1.1. 1.1 question number 1, subpart number 1 says that, now question is which of the following are sets, justify your answer. Subpart number 1 is collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Obviously the months of a year we are knowing it is 12 and the month starting with J is July, then June, and so on. So it is justified, I mean whatever it is defined for all, so it is a set. Subpart number 2 is collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Most talented, again as I said, whenever an adjective is associated, that collection is not a set. So over here this is not well defined, and so it is not a set. In justification you will be writing it is not well defined. Now number 3 is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Again the best word has come, so it is not a set, not well defined. Number 4, the collection of all boys in your class. So obviously if your class is there, suppose 11A, 11B, whatever, the boys is well defined. Of your class, who all are the boys, you are knowing, so it is well defined, so it is a set. Number 5, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So obviously natural numbers less than 100 you can write from 1 to 99, so it is well defined, so it is a set. Number 6, a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Now we are knowing whatever books Munshi Premchand has written is well defined. To whoever you will ask, he will be saying these all are the books of written by Munshi Premchand, so it is a well defined set, so it is a set. Now number 7, the collection of all even integers. Obviously it is an infinite set, but even integers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, it is well defined, and so it is a set. Next, number 8 is the collection of all questions in this chapter. This also is well defined. We can say how many questions are there if we count it, so it is well defined, so it is a set. Number 9, the collection of most dangerous animal of the world. Obviously again the word most dangerous is added over here, the most adjective over here added, so we can say that this is not well defined, and so it is not a set. Now question number 2, a set A is given. Set A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it is asked that insert the appropriate symbol of epsilon or not epsilon, means belongs to or does not belongs to, in the blank spaces. So number 1 is 5-A. So obviously the element 5 belongs to A, so we can write belongs to. Number 2, 8, we will write 8 does not belongs to A. Number 3, 0 does not belongs to A. 4 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. 10 does not belongs to A. So I think you can complete number 2. Do all the questions in your class copy. Now question number 3 is write the following in roster form. So write in roster form, means we have to write the numerals. Number 1 is A equals to X such that X is an integer and minus 3 less than equals to X, which is less than 7. So obviously in roster form, this is written in the set builder form. So in the roster form we can write this, the numerals we will be writing. So the X is the number from minus 3, but it is less than 7. So we will be writing minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the answer of the set A in roster form. Similarly, number 2, B is X such that X is a natural number less than 6. So we can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's quite simple, children. Let us go to subpart number 5, the letters of the word trigonometry. Subpart number 5, E is the set of all letters. The set of all letters of the word trigonometry. So this we will be writing as E equals to, let us write T R I, G, O, N. O is repeated. So M, E, T is written earlier. Then R also written. Y. Will not repeat. Repetition of letters in the set is immaterial, is of no sense. So question number 3, rest of the subparts you will be completing by your own.